If your problem was a mountain, bring your problem to mind, that situation you're grappling with and don't know what to do about. If it was a mountain, what sort of mountain would it be? Consider the height of the mountain, the size and steepness of the slopes. As you bring this mountain to mind, ask yourself, is there anything else you notice? Sit with that mountain a while. Notice how you feel about the mountain and allow that part of you that knows what to do to make changes to the mountain. Perhaps it's the slopes or height that need amending, or paths or signposts need adding. Maybe it's what needs to be removed that's important, or the colours changed, or something else entirely. And for clarity, some people have added maps, guides, signposts themselves, better shoes into the image. Your inner wisdom knows. Listen to its prompts as you make changes to your mountain. Changes that move you from not knowing to knowing what to do. What step or steps are you being prompted to take?